Force between two parallel current carrying wires. So we are given two wires which have current in the same direction, I1 and I2, and they are parallel to each other. So if you take L length of this wire, we need to calculate what is the force on it. So first thing you can immediately see is this force will be attractive force. I is towards up, B is inside the plane. So if you use the right hand thumb rule, you will get the direction of force is towards I1. So let's calculate the value of this attractive force, F. Force on L length of I2 due to I1. So we know that on a current carrying wire, force is I times L cross B. So this is when B is uniform. Now at all these points, the value of B is same because all these points are at same distance from I1. So we can use this formula. So B here is due to I1 and its value is mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. So we get our force which is mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. Now if you see this formula, if you take the L length of I1 and try to find the force on it, you will get the same force F and that too attractive. So we can say force on I2 due to I1 in magnitude is equal to force on I1 due to I2. So both the forces will be towards each other. So these forces are action-reaction pair. Now let's take some special cases. So here we take both the wires are long and we are calculating force per unit length. So in the formula, L will become unity. So what we'll get is mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. And if the currents are also same, it will become mu naught I square by 2 pi r. Force will be attractive because the currents are in same direction. So field here due to I2 is outwards and field here due to I1 is inwards. Now in second case, if we reverse the direction of one of the currents. So now if you use right hand thumb rule, you will see that the forces are repelling. But the formula is going to be same. So the value is same, just the directions are different. So when currents are in opposite directions, same magnitude, but they repel each other. So this is the discussion on parallel current carrying wires. What will be the force?